Hey guys, this is your artist TolgArt, and before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's reach 200,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And also turn on the notifications so you will not miss any of my uploads. With that said, today we will draw Kefla as a Super Saiyan Rose. We got Copic paper and a pencil, and that's all we need to sketch her. So let's go. So I made this drawing for a follower on Instagram, so she looks a little different. If you're interested in a piece as well, you can contact me there. The link is in the info box. So let's take a look at her. Not bad, but with the second layer of ink, she will look much better. I will show you.
I knew I was doing the wrong thing by giving you my time. Where was I? Where was I when I needed it most? When I needed myself? Where was I? Where was I?
And as you can see, it looks way better like that. It gives your drawing a special uniqueness. And by the way, the pen I'm using here is from Faber-Castell, but the brand is not important at all. Don't focus too much on materials, guys, except for the coloring. As you know, I am coloring with Copic markers. They are expensive, but for me, they are worth the price. See yourself.
Where was
I rise just like a phoenix, born from the ashes. I take care of my own. Torn down where assassin. You can't suffocate my spirit, 'cause I'm the king of my own throne, my own throne. King of my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see the throne. King of my own throne, my own throne. King of my own throne. Born from the ashes. 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 Born from the. You can't suffocate my spirit, 'cause I'm the king of my own throne, throne, oh, oh, oh. King of my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see the rain, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see the throne. King of my own throne, my own throne. King of my own Watch me reign.
The coloring is on point, everything is clean, and we are ready to give her an epic aura. The Super Saiyan Rose aura is one of the most beautiful aura in my opinion. Which one do you like the most? And that's it, guys. After Kefla, this is just the second female character which I've ever done on this channel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, guys, it's very appreciated. And again, make sure to subscribe and don't miss anything. Also, let's reach 200,000 subscribers very soon. That would be so huge for me. Thank you, guys. I see you next week with 2 characters. And until then, stay healthy, be a good person, work on yourself, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.